what I got here tonight is a Canadian lock. Came with a tag. This is it's not branded on the actual cylinder, but on the key it says, I thought that was a spear. It's actually a flower. Fleur de Lis, which is made in Canada. I think that's the brand because the blank is FL191A. So I guess that's the brand of the lock. Okay, so I got this from Luke. Thanks for the lock. And go ahead and try to pick it on camera. Yeah, I like the key. That's cool. Yeah. I'm not sure why he gave me the tag too. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to think what I'm going to use. Alright, so I think I'm going to go down use top to QA tension. Okay. And I just want to protect that lock with this. Alright. Just a 5-pin lock. I think there's normal pins in it. I didn't pick this one yet. Alright. So, nothing special about it pin-wise, but I like how it has a flat top like that. And I like the key. And I like how it's a little smaller than a regular cylinder. I think so. Well, maybe, yeah, just a little bit smaller. Okay. Okay. So let's see what's in there. Okay, it just has one little screw. Red pin. Alright, so far, big red pin. Alright, so I think we're just going to see standard pins in there. Okay, so regular key pins. And these are what the drivers look like. Alright, there's a big spool. Another big spool. Okay. Alright, 3 big spools. Alright, and another big spool, and another big spool. So all spools, but I'm not sure why they weren't too effective here. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I think it's because maybe there was just a lot of shallow cuts, I'm not sure. Yeah, well, one is almost by the shear line already, so that's not really going to do much. Also, these aren't that sharp. There's kind of like a little rounded corner. Yeah, but I didn't really feel a false set. I'm not sure. Maybe maybe I had a small false set, I'm not sure. These aren't really that thin, you know, on the inside portion. Also, the springs are really weak. Let's see what those look like. They might just be old. Oh, they're tiny. Oh wow, look. Yeah, really small springs too. I'm not sure why that is. The drivers are pretty long. Well, the drivers and the key pins in this particular setup are pretty long. Maybe I'll replace those. I'm not sure if that's going to make a big difference though. Alright, thanks for the lock, thanks for watching, and happy picking.